So, you want to make money with TikTok in the USA? Let me break it down, step by step. First, you don't need to be a superstar dancer or have 1 million followers to start earning. Consistency is key. Pick a niche you actually enjoy. Cooking hacks, tech reviews, funny pet videos, post regularly, and keep your content short and punchy. Now, once you hit 10,000 followers and rack up at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days, you can join the TikTok Creator Fund. This pays you for views, but don't expect to get rich overnight. It's usually a few cents per 1,000 views, so scale matters here. But here's where it gets interesting. Brand deals. Even with just a few thousand followers, brands might pay you to feature their products, especially if you've got an engaged audience. I've seen people land deals by reaching out directly to companies they love. Creator Marketplace, Aspire IQ. Don't forget affiliate marketing. Share links to products in your bio and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. Finally, go live. TikTok lets you collect virtual gifts from viewers, which you can convert to cash. This works best if you're engaging and give people a reason to support you, like Quandis tutorials being super relatable. The real secret? Be patient and stay authentic. Money follows attention, but attention follows passion. Focus on what you genuinely enjoy, and the income will come. That's how I'd start making money with TikTok in the US. Got questions? Drop them below. I'll be reading.